Welcome to this video dedicated to unraveling the mysteries of the path to wealth. Today we will dive into the fascinating universe of financial prosperity, revealing that the journey to wealth can be more accessible than many imagine. Before we embark on this journey, it is crucial to understand what it truly means to be rich. It's not just about figures in a bank account, but the ability to live a fulfilling life, achieve dreams, and enjoy financial freedom. Sometimes, the complexity of the financial world distances us from our goals. However, believe it or not, there is a simple and uncomplicated path that can lead us to prosperity. As we navigate this path, we will discover strategies and practices that can transform our relationship with money. At the heart of this journey is financial planning, a powerful tool that will guide our steps. By setting clear goals and adopting intelligent financial practices, we are paving the way for financial success. Prepare to absorb valuable insights and practical strategies that will help you navigate the path to wealth. Together, we will explore how to make this journey simpler, more accessible, and above all, more achievable. Topic 1. Setting financial goals towards prosperity. Definition of realistic financial goals. To start the journey towards financial prosperity, the first step is to set realistic and achievable financial goals. These goals will serve as the compass guiding your decisions and efforts. By defining specific objectives, such as paying off debts, creating an emergency fund, and investing for the future, you are shaping a clear path to financial stability. Identification of priorities. It is vital to identify priorities when setting financial goals. Begin by addressing urgent issues, such as paying high-priority debts, providing a solid foundation for your financial plan. Next, focus on creating an emergency fund, ensuring you are prepared for unforeseen circumstances. Finally, direct your efforts toward investing in your future, whether through retirement plans, investment funds, or other opportunities aligned with your goals. Topic 2. Financial education. The power of knowledge. Exploration of educational resources. The second fundamental pillar is financial education. Explore the numerous educational resources available on personal finance, including books, online courses, podcasts, and specialized blogs. The more you understand financial principles, the more capable you become of making informed and strategic decisions for your financial future. Emphasis on the importance of knowledge. Knowledge is the key to unlocking the doors of financial stability. By understanding concepts such as budgeting, investments, interest, and debt management, you gain the ability to make informed decisions that positively impact your financial situation. The emphasis on the importance of knowledge permeates the entire process, empowering you to navigate challenges and opportunities with confidence. Topic 3. Smart budgeting. Financial balance in practice. Development of an efficient budget. In the third stage towards financial prosperity, we focus on the development of an efficient budget. This is the solid foundation that will support all your financial goals. Start by clearly and detailedly identifying your income and expenses. A deep understanding of your financial movement will allow you to make conscious decisions, avoiding unpleasant surprises and ensuring alignment with your goals. Strategies for reducing unnecessary expenses. In addition to understanding your finances, it is crucial to implement strategies for reducing unnecessary expenses. This doesn't mean giving up small indulgences, but identifying areas where you can save without compromising your quality of life. By cutting unnecessary expenses, you free up resources for more meaningful priorities, accelerating progress towards financial independence. Topic 4. Additional income generation. Expanding financial horizons. Exploration of opportunities to increase income. The next crucial step on the journey to wealth is exploring opportunities to increase income. This can be achieved in various ways, such as seeking freelancing jobs, strategic investments, and even entrepreneurship. By diversifying income sources, you not only increase the cash flow, but also create a financial safety net, reducing vulnerability to potential challenges. Diversification of income sources. Diversifying income sources is the key to building a solid financial foundation. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, explore different forms of income that align with your skills, interests, and financial goals. Whether through investments in different sectors, parallel projects, or personal ventures, diversification provides a long-term stability and financial security. Topic 5. Strategic investments. Building the financial future. Introduction to major types of investments. In the 5th stage of our journey to wealth, we delve into the world of strategic investments. We present the main types of investments, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and others. Understanding these options will enable you to make informed decisions, aligning your investments with your long-term financial goals. The importance of time and patience. In the investment process, time is a valuable ally, and patience is a virtue. We will discuss how the power of time works in favor of investors, allowing money to grow and appreciate. Patience plays a crucial role, especially in times of market volatility. The strategy is to look beyond short-term fluctuations and focus on long-term goals. Topic 6. Debt minimization. Freeing yourself from financial burden. Strategies for debt repayment. In the 6th stage, we address debt minimization, a crucial step to achieve financial stability. Strategies for repaying debts will be discussed, with an emphasis on prioritizing payments for higher interest debts. This is a fundamental step to save money in the long run. Avoiding the accumulation of new debts. In addition to repaying existing debts, we will learn to avoid the accumulation of new debts. Adopting a conscious lifestyle and practicing thoughtful financial decision-making will help prevent unnecessary financial commitments, providing a solid foundation for financial growth. Topic 7. Building an emergency fund. Preparing for the unexpected. Guidelines on creating and maintaining a financial reserve. In the 7th stage, we focus on building an emergency fund, a fundamental safeguard against unforeseen circumstances. Detailed guidelines will be provided, highlighting the importance of setting aside a portion of your income to create and maintain this reserve. It serves as a financial cushion, offering security and peace of mind. Exploration of different approaches to calculate the ideal reserve value. Each person is unique and their financial needs are unique as well. We will explore different approaches to calculate the ideal value of the emergency reserve, taking into account factors such as monthly expenses, family responsibilities, and the desired level of security. Topic 8. Retirement planning. Preparing for the golden years. Discussion on the importance of starting retirement planning early. In the 8th stage, we focus on an often neglected aspect, retirement planning. We discuss the importance of starting early, leveraging the power of time and compound interest to build a robust retirement fund. Exploration of specific investment vehicles for retirement. In addition to understanding the importance of saving for retirement, we will explore specific investment vehicles such as pension plans, individual retirement accounts, and long-term investment strategies tailored to retirement needs. Conclusion. As we reach the end of the journey towards wealth, it is crucial to review the essential steps we have outlined to achieve financial success. From setting realistic goals to building an emergency fund, each step contributes to a solid foundation. The path to wealth is not a race, but a continuous journey. Therefore, I encourage each of you to embrace persistence, consistency, and the ability to adapt over time. Financial life is dynamic, and the ability to adjust strategies as needed is a valuable tool in pursuing your goals. If this content has been helpful and inspiring for you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel for more information and tips on financial prosperity. Additionally, share this video with friends and family who are also looking to navigate a safer and more prosperous path to the future. Together, we can create a community committed to financial growth and the achievement of our dreams.